Today we are going to make an authentic Ohomia recipe which is known as Khar. It can be made out of papaya or pumpkin or the various types of gourds which are available in the market. For that, we need to heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a skillet. Add the cloves of garlic and then fry until it's golden brown. Once the garlic turns golden brown, we need to add the chopped papayas into it. Today I'll be making this with papaya, so I have added papaya into it. And then add the salt to taste and cook well, and then cover and cook for around 5 to 8 minutes. You can check in between. After opening the lid, you can see that the papaya pieces have turned mushy. Then you have to add sodium bicarbonate into it, stir it well, and then you have to add the soaked masoor dal without water into it, and then again stir it well. And now this time you have to cook for around 3 to 4 minutes in a lid. After 2 minutes, when you're going to open the lid, then you will see that everything have turned out to be mushy. This is the time you have to add the ginger chopped into it, and then cook it with or without lid for around 2 to 3 minutes, or simply till the water dries up. This is when your khar is almost ready. After taking out your khar in a bowl, you have to add split chilies into it and 2 tablespoons of mustard oil so it tastes better. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like the video.